All right, this looks like a fun one. Let's check it out. It had a pretty shape, so I thought we should give this a shot. Okay, on the surface level, it looks like a geometry question, but as you're going to find out, it's really an algebra question. And so those algebra skills you learn in 7th grade and 6th grade, here's where they pay off, okay? So first of all, we've got a cone. Volume 165. Now in my class we did a little demonstration where we learned that the volume of a cone is 1/3 the volume of a cylinder that has the same height. Same height. Okay? So what that means is volume of a cone equals 1/3 volume cylinder. Let's use our algebra skills to make a new equation here. If we multiply both sides by 3, 3 times 1/3 equals 1, right? So 3 times the volume of the cone equals the volume of the cylinder. Since we were given the volume of the cone, that means 495 cubic feet is the volume of a cylinder with the same height. Okay? The key is the same height. So now we could draw, a little picture here like that. And what we would have is same height, same radius. Okay? Now the reason why this is valuable is because we know that the volume of a cylinder is the area of the base times the height. Okay? Now what we're being asked to solve for in this question is the height. We want to find the height. Problem is, our formula tells us how to find the volume. So if we use our algebra skills, we can rewrite this equation, make a new formula out of it. If we divide both sides by area of the base, we get a useful new formula, which is volume divided by area of the base. Okay? So we know the volume is 495. We know the area of the base, area of a circle, is r squared times pi, right? We have the r, so we're going to go 4 squared, which is 16. So 495 divided by 16 pi is going to give us the height of the cone. There's really no geometry at all here other than remembering this relationship between a cone and a cylinder with the same height. Okay? 3 cones fit in the cylinder. So, let's do the little math here. 495 divided by 16 pi. Putting it in parentheses just to make sure I get the order of operations right here. 9.85 feet. See, because it told me to round to the nearest hundredth. So that's why I kept it as pi and saved my rounding for the last step. Because if you round in multiple steps, you may end up having a funky answer. Okay, so that's it. Key thing to learn here, or remember, because you probably already learned it, volume of a cone and its relationship to the volume of a cylinder. Okay? And then just remember your algebra skills. You can use those skills to rewrite any formula anytime, and that's the great thing about algebra. You don't have to memorize a whole bunch of formulas, just memorize one and know how to manipulate it to make any other one. Okay? That was fun. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching me here on Whitcher Math channel.